All right, friends, so we're gonna talk about how to measure your eyebrow shape, where to start, where you should place your arch, and where your tail should end. So we want to make sure that we have all of our tools. I like to use a eyebrow pencil. You could use a brush if you want, super easy, but the pencil is easier to kind of measure down or swipe down and then dot. So go with this if you have one. All right, so step one, we are going to measure the inner rim of the eye, and we are going to figure out where the front of our brow starts. So I take my pencil and the outer corner of the nose, the nostril, and the inner rim of the eye, swipe down, and then I press up. And this is where my brow should start. Don't mind all of that there. So the dot is where the brow starts, right? So we are going to go on the outer edge of the nostril. I'm going to try and find the pupil, the center of my pupil, sweep down, there, press up. That is where the high part of the arch should be. And then same with the outer corner, find the outer corner of the eye, the outer part of the nostril, pull down and press in. This is where the edge of the brow, the tail should end, okay? So we have our 3 points here where our brow should begin, where the arch, the high point of the arch, and where the tail should end. All right, so now that we have measured our brow shape, where it starts, highest point of the arch, and where it ends, let's hop on over to the next tutorial, and I'll show you the 5-step method on how to fill in your ideal brow shape.